tonight, we're part of one big-ass family, right? We are part of the Drunks Gone Wild dysfunctional family. If you watch the news, I don't want to get political, but I'm telling you, if you watch the news, they make fun of people like us. But when the hits the fan and the world comes to an end, we're the bitches people want to be next door to.
Historically, one of the biggest problems that we've had with freestyle competitions like this is dust. So I got with my man Chuck D. Chucky, I don't want any dust out here this weekend, okay? None.
It's a big job, no dust, I guarantee it.
Nice. Hey, look, a bass. Holy crap.
It's a fucking shark.
Wettest freestyle ever. So second place, not bad.
Right.
I don't know, any drama with that, dude? I mean,
no,
it was pretty tight today.
All good.
It was a great run you had. The Scotch was as well.
Oh yeah.
You know?
Yep.
So
I can drive it on the trailer this time.
you can.
Right.
What do you think? I mean, the water, you know, it is what it is, right?
Yeah, I took a quick bath, you know.
You look good. Freestyle champion out here, Scott Green in Sale, dude. Brand new build, well not a new build, but reconditioned build, right?
Yeah, we worked on it all winter, thrashed, all my buddies here, been here with me every day, helping me get it back together, be here today, and we did everything we wanted to and more.
And this is the first big event of the year for you guys in 2014. I think it's gonna be an awesome year, dude. You got a great team. We got all the guys right here. I know you don't do it by yourself, man. No. Congratulations, this is awesome. You guys did a great job, and we can't wait to see what you guys do next, man. It's gonna be awesome.
Hell yeah, we got a lot on the schedule for the year, and we're looking forward to do it again.
I've been drunk for 3 days. Perry's awesome. I love Florida.
Welcome to Perry, Florida.
here about 6 months ago, right? You had a laceration on your hand, not at the event, right? No. But at the event, you noticed that the cut was opening up. And what did you say to me?
I asked if they had any hot blondes.
Like a hot blonde nurse, right?
In a nurse outfit.
Yeah, we just happen to have one of those. Sarah, come on in. Now, Sarah was the one that stitched it up, right? Stitched up the hand and the fingers, and you have not seen the result of your stitching.
No, wrong hand.
Wrong hand. This is the big reveal. This is the big reveal. Look at that.
I'm able to hold my beer. We're great.
And how's it working?
It is fantastic.
Can you bend them? Look at that.
Like Creek
He has full flexibility. All thanks to you, Sarah. Thank you. Great job. And thanks for the drink.
Oh, and Jimmy Dare. All the way, buddy. Me and Sabrinsky can bring your truck. I got this for you. Let me see that finger.
No hesitating, just pimping and playing all day long with me and Matt Steele, getting out here trying to get a real feel, like Evander and Holyfield. But I ain't gonna bite you in, bro, because I like you too much, don't you know? We're gonna bump cups and bump a beer. Hey, it's Perry, Florida, don't have no fear. Them Georgia boys done came down. We're having some fun. It's time to get on the ground.